Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I created this Arabian night look, and if you'd like to see how I achieved it, then please keep on watching. So first I'm going to start off by applying some concealer on my lids as a base. I'm also going to use this as an opportunity to clean up under my brows. I'm using the Huda Beauty, the Overachieving Concealer in the shade 06G Nougat. To get an even application on my lids, I'm using my fingertip to tap the concealer in. Then I'm going to set all that with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 10 Fairlight. To make sure it doesn't crease, I'm going to use a brush to lightly put it on my lids. Then I'm going to use my fingertip to pick up some of the powder to set the concealer near my lash line. This will create a nice and even base for when I apply eyeshadow and eyeliner. I'm using this crease eyeshadow brush by Morphe to apply my transition shade. Feel free to use any crease eyeshadow brush that works for you. And for this look today, I used the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm going to pick up some of this shade called Butter from my transition. And just apply that in the crease of my eyes. Next, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow brush that came with one of their palettes. And I'll use the fluffier end to pick up some more of that same transition shade and blend it in the crease and upwards towards the end of my brows. Going back to the crease brush by Morphe, I'm going to use the shade Jax and focus it in the crease, particularly the outer corners of the eyes. And I'm going to keep blending until I feel like I've achieved a seamless finish. Then I'm taking that same Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow brush, but this time I'll be using the other end, which is shorter and denser, to pick up this shade in the palette, called Jada, and apply that on the center to the inner corner of my lids. And using the same brush, I'm going to pick up this shade Twerk and apply that on the center to the outer corners of my eyes. Now to get more pigment out of the shade, I'm going to pick up some of this product with my fingertip and gently tap it on. Alright, I'm going to use my fingertip again, but this time a different one other than the one that I've already used for the blue. And I'm going to pick up some of the shimmery teal shade called Pool Party and focus that in the inner corners of the eyes. I'm just going to alternate between the two fingers to gently blend and create a seamless gradient. Now I'll curl my lashes. I'm using the Quo Lash Curler and it's honestly one of my favorites. This was also my first lash curler ever and I've stuck with it ever since. They're really durable too. This one's my second replacement. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner using the Marcelle eyeliner pen. So for my liner, I'll be using gentle strokes to create a nice fine line. These are the Calabasas lashes by Morphe, and I'm just gonna plop these bad boys on. To enhance these lashes and to blend my real lashes in with them, I'm going to use the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Now I'm going to go in with the Clump Crusher Mascara by CoverGirl and help remove any clumps. This is also one of my most favorite mascaras that I used alone or alongside another mascara. Now I'm just going to use a wipe to clean up under my eyes. Okay, I'll be back with the rest of my face. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to use this thin bristled brush by Morphe and pick up some of this light nude shade called Roxanne. And I'll apply that right under my lower lash line in the outer corners. Using the Clump Crusher Mascara by CoverGirl, I'm just going to apply some of that on my lower lashes. To add the finishing touch, I'm going to give some life to my dull foundation-covered lips. Yes, ew. So for my lips, I'll use this Kylie liquid lipstick in the shade Dolce for a very nude lip. And c'est fini! If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and comment below what look I should do next. I'm thinking maybe Jasmine from Aladdin. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay you, stay beautiful, my loves.